Well, hey guys, today I bought me a new Hummingbird feeder, and I said if I get something new I'll share it with you. Ordered this off of Amazon. It's the First Nature number 3090, and it just came in this box like this, and there's what it looks like still in the plastic. I believe it's like $15 and some change. And let me open it up right quick and I'll talk a little bit about why I bought this particular one. First thing, it says made in the USA. That's a good thing. I bought it, one reason is because it's 32 ounces, so it gives me quite a bit of capacity to hold the nectar that I need. Also, screws apart like this. I wanted one with a big hole instead of the little one. Everything I've read, you need to keep these clean, and with the bigger hole where it screws on should help with that. Also, it's got 10 places for the hummingbirds, and it's also got the little perch for them to set, and this just comes apart. And it's in 2 pieces, so that also makes it easier to clean. Put it back together just like that, fits right back on, and it screws right back. And it also comes with a hook to hang it with. Now I'm going to make my own nectar, and the way you make your own nectars, it's a 4-to-1 ratio. So if you're using, say, a measuring cup, just 1 cup of sugar to 4 cups of water, or whatever measuring, is just 4-to-1. So hey, I hope that little demonstration and unboxing helped you decide maybe this is the one you're thinking about getting. Whenever I get the hummingbirds in, I'll have it hung up, and I'll try to be back with some footage of the hummingbirds. So hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.